In this video, we're diving into a detailed review of ZebPay, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges in India. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, ZebPay offers a variety of features designed to make buying, selling, and trading digital currencies simple and secure. After you sign up for ZebPay, you can start trading a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. ZebPay's interface is user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to get started. The platform offers a mobile app that's available for both Android and iOS, so you can trade on the go. Once you sign up and linked your bank account, you can deposit INR, Indian rupee, and start making transactions instantly. The platform offers several security features to keep your funds safe, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for most of the crypto assets, and encryption. This makes ZebPay a trustworthy option for crypto enthusiasts who value security. In addition to the main trading platform, ZebPay also has a unique feature called ZebPay Pro, which allows advanced traders to take advantage of charting tools and advanced order types to make more informed trades. This platform is designed for users who want more control over their trades. ZebPay's fees are relatively transparent. While it charges a flat trading fee for buying and selling, the platform also has withdrawal fees for certain cryptocurrencies. It's important to review the current fees schedule to understand how much you might be charged when you make a transaction. ZebPay has 24/7 customer support to help users with any issues. Whether you're having trouble with your account or need assistance with a transaction, the support team is available to help you resolve any concerns quickly. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Now that we've covered the basics, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more updates on cryptocurrency platforms and trends. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful, and let us know in the comments what other platforms you want us to review.